Hey you! Do you want to get access to millions of potential leads every month? Let's talk about Discord. With over 140 million monthly users, there's a potential to not only access a huge audience, but to build a dedicated community around your brand. I've done a lot of research to get the info you need to flourish like a beautiful butterfly on this thing called Discord. I'm Charisma Collins with Learn with Shopify. If you're interested in learning about all things business, make sure to subscribe so you don't miss our weekly videos. You may be asking, what is Discord? Discord is a chat app, and its main focus is to build communities around specific topics through text and video chats. The app is available on all devices, which makes it easily accessible to a wide range of people. For example, Midjourney uses it to share AI-generated images and has built a community with millions of members. It is vital to build a community around your business. A strong community is like a chosen family that shares similar interests and values. By building a strong community around your niche or brand, you build trust and loyalty with your potential customer. They become way more likely to keep coming back and even get addicted to the sense of companionship and belonging, leading to more brand awareness, loyalty, and ultimately, purchases. All well-known brands have a strong sense of community around them. For example, Coca-Cola has millions of followers on Facebook. People even wear t-shirts with their logo on it, or get tattoos to show their support for the brand. Now, let's get started on your journey to becoming a Discord master. First, I'm going to take you through the basics, like a young Padawan. I'm going to help you set up your Discord, and then I'm going to show you how to use it to make some cash. Stick around to the end, because I'm going to show you how to get nitro so you can go turbo with your Discord. Okay, no more bad jokes, but stick around, seriously. I'm sure some of you have heard of Discord and thought it was just for gamers. Discord was first made for gamers, but it has developed into a diverse platform for business, content creators, and pretty much anyone wanting to build an online community and get some extra cash flowing in. Let's start with how to set up your first server on Discord. First, go over to Discord and create an account. Once you have created your account, you're going to go to the left side of the screen and click on Add Server. Then you have the option to create your own server or use a template such as gaming, school club, or study group. You want to select the option to do it for a club or community because this will be best for your business. Then you will want to name your server something relevant to your community, such as your business name or what your business does. Now it's time to set up, drumroll please, channels. Your channels are very important because they help organize the different information and interactions in your server. To create a new channel, just click the small plus sign besides text channels. These are the text channels you will want to add in order to have a well-organized server. You can also add more if you have something specific you want to share about your business, but let's just start with these. You will want to add general for general information and chatting, a welcome channel to welcome the members and tell them what the server is about, a rules channel so that things don't get too rowdy, an updates channel for new and exciting updates, giveaways for, well, giveaways, streams for live streaming, videos where you will share your video content, mods, a chat specifically for mods only, and introductions to introduce new members. Next, you're going to want to set up 2 voice channels. General 1 for personal chats with your admin and moderators, a private channel. General 2 for events or chats you want to open up for the community. You can name these something fun related to your business. Now that you have a lot of channels set up, you'll want to simplify it for your community by organizing your channels into categories. To create a category, you will have to right-click on the gray panel with your channels and click Create Category. These 3 categories will be the most important. Welcome. In the welcome category, you will put the welcome channel, the rules channel, updates, and giveaways. Next is content. In content, you will put the streams and videos. Lastly is mods. This is a channel for mods to chat privately. There is already a text channel category, so you can keep introductions and general in there. Now we will add roles to the server. Roles give users specific privileges within the server. Each role has different permissions and is in charge of their own unique part of the community. Typically, the roles will be ranked by position and color, so your members can easily find who they need to talk to. Once you have placed all your channels in their categories, you will go to your server settings, go to roles, and click Create Roles. You will then need to create your roles and make sure to choose a unique color for each role. You will want to set up these roles. Make a basic member role, a moderator role, and an admin role. Make sure to click Display Role Members separate from online members. When you organize your roles, put the most important roles at the top and less important roles on the bottom. This will organize the hierarchy, so the important members of your Discord kingdom will show up on top. Now let's talk about permission. You will give admin permission to do everything that you can do besides delete the server. Make sure to only give admin to people you trust. Mods should have permission to manage nicknames, kick out members, ban members, delete messages, manage threads, mute members, and deafen members. Not literally, just in the app. You also want to change the permissions for categories as well. For example, make sure that for the mods category, not everybody can access the channels, but only mods can. I would also recommend that you enable the community server. This will give you access to new features and help you create a better community. Here's how to set it up. Go to server settings and click on the Enable Community button. Click Get Started and verify your email. Then, connect your rules channel and connect your mods channel. Add a description about your server and update your welcome screen and recommend channels you want new users to view right away. Don't forget to describe what to do in each channel. A few other things to consider on your Discord building journey. The Discover tab puts your server on the Discovery page where you can organically grow your server once it meets the requirements. Server Insights. Server Insights gives you updated insights about your server. Events. You can create events for your members to join in on. You will want to add some flair to the channel to make it pop like a piñata. You can get symbols from this website below, and it's best to add an emoji and a symbol next to each channel. Guys, make sure to watch till the end of the video because once you get your Discord set up, I'm going to show you a bunch of ways on how you can make money off of it. Now, bots. What is a bot and why is it important? A bot is basically an application that is programmed to perform specific tasks, like one of those robots that were made to clean your house. It will help keep your Discord safe and running smoothly. Bots are typically used to do things such as welcome new members, control interaction between users, and ban users, the naughty ones. You can also use them to add games, music, or new content to your server. They are like the bouncers at your party, keeping all the unwanted guests away. You don't want that one weird dude at the party to cause everyone else to leave.
Get off of me! Ugh, as if!
The bots will come to the rescue and save the day by kicking them out or silencing them. Imagine if you could silence someone in real life. That would be weird. I know robots can be scary, but don't worry, these robots have good intentions, like Baymax from Big Hero 6. They may not be as cute, but they are definitely just as useful. The MEE6 bot is the most popular bot on Discord. Here's how to set it up. You're gonna go to the website and click Add to Discord. Then click Authorize. Then you're gonna find the server you wanna connect and click Set Up. Lastly, choose what permissions you wanna give your bot and click Authorize. You can get your bot to do a ton of amazing things. Take your time to look through all of the options. For example, embeds. Embeds are a way to show a message in a specific format, such as a photo or a link. You can connect embeds into your rules channel, or you can add a hyperlink button to connect your social media links and your Shopify storefront. The bot will then send the embed into the channel with the hyperlinks. This is a great way for you to promote your own links on Discord. Last step for setting up your Discord community is auto moderation. Go to server settings, then go to auto mod. Set up commonly flagged words and get it to respond by blocking the message and blocking spam content. Now for the fun part. Here are 12 ways to make money on Discord. Whether you are running a business, are a contractor, or are an aspiring influencer, there is something for you. So let's get into it. Number 1, you can sell products. You can create a shop on your Discord server where you can sell products or digital products right on the app. This is great news if you already have a service or product you're selling. You can also directly link your Shopify store through Zapier. This way, when you do something on your Shopify store, it also shows up on your Discord. For example, when you release a new product, Zapier will send a message out to your Discord community, automatically letting them know it's available. The main thing that people sell on Discord are artwork, physical products, digital services, courses, software, etc. If you already have a product or service to sell, it's a great way to access more customers. For example, the StockX Discord server is a community of 44,000 members who love sneakers. The best part is that they can literally buy sneakers right off the server with special deals and discounts for the members. If you like sneakers, you can check it out. People also pay for knowledge on Discord. You can create a paid channel focused on specialized knowledge. Number 2, you can offer premium features. For example, you could offer access to exclusive channels, content, custom servers, badges, emotes, or bigger file uploads. Number 3, sponsorships. If you get into Discord and end up building a large community who already loves you because you're freaking amazing, brands will pay you to get access to that community through sponsorships. Discord lets you directly target your audience based on their interests, unlike IG, which is very useful for sponsorships. If you want to go this route and be a Discord influencer, make a list of brands you believe your server would love and benefit from knowing about. Then, start reaching out to them. Number 4, you can offer consultation services. Are you an expert at something? Do you carry a unique set of knowledge that the world would benefit from knowing? Offer your advice or consultation services on Discord for a price. There are always people who need what you have to offer. This is a perfect way to get in front of the right people who need what you know. It could be anything. It could be marketing knowledge, social media knowledge, product knowledge. Honestly, whatever you have in that big, beautiful brain of yours, you could sell it. Number 5, you can make your server for paid members only with server subscriptions. If you already have something valuable that you know is worth paying for, make your server for paid members only. If your server is about Twitch, for example, you could have a paid channel about Twitch tips and secrets. Creating a paid Discord server is easy with something called LaunchPass. Simply follow these steps. Create your Discord server, connect and activate your LaunchPass account to begin your trial, connect your bank account to receive payment, create, publish, and share your paid Discord server with the world. The goal of Discord is to create a thriving community. Discord is the go-to place to share news, updates, and opinions on very niche topics. It's a place where people come together over things they love. It could be as niche as artists who want to share weird or strange art, or girls who love to play Minecraft. There are no limits. Make sure your channel is a place where a community can thrive and grow. This is especially helpful for those of you who have a very niche product or business idea. As a business, it can be very difficult to find out where your target demographic hangs out. Discord is like a magnet that can bring them all together around your niche product or idea and ultimately generate more sales in your Shopify store. Number 6, you can use Discord's Nitro features. For $5 a month, Discord offers a service called Nitro that gives you features such as higher quality voice chats and animated avatars. Once you become a Discord partner, your community can subscribe to your Discord Nitro service and get access to these special features, leveling up your Discord game and making you look like a pro. Number 7 is Discord Rich Presence. You can create a server dedicated to a specific game under the Discord Rich Present program. You can then offer exclusive in-game content items like currency or power-ups for your community to purchase. Number 8 is the donation or tip jar. You can set up a tip jar on your Discord server, which can be done through services such as upgrade.chat, Patreon, or Discord's built-in payment system. If your community supports you or your brand and is emotionally connected to your mission, they may also want to be a part of financially supporting you as well. Don't miss out on this opportunity if you have already built a dedicated following. Number 9, you can become an affiliate. If you find a product or service you know your Discord community will resonate with, you can become an affiliate and earn commissions every time someone buys something from your link or code. This can add up over time. The best way to do this is to find brands that you resonate with and ask them about their affiliate programs. Some examples of great affiliates for Discord would be web hosting or domain name registers, VPNs, or game keys. You will want to go with the brands that best fit with your community. Or you could just sell products directly from your Shopify store and get 100% of the profits. Number 10, you can use bots for tipping. You can add a tip bot to your Discord server. This can be a nice extra income if you have users that tip frequently. Someone basically just has to send a tip command to the bot and voila, you've made some money. Not a bad day. Number 11, you can sell your Discord server. If you end up building a unique Discord server that grows a large audience and you no longer want to run it, you can sell it for a fee. Someone who doesn't want to build a Discord community themselves will purchase it off your hands. If you take this route, just make sure that all your data is backed up before selling. Number 12, Discord server management. Some server owners will pay someone to create and run a positive, organized community. They will run moderation, such as dealing with spam, rule violations, etc. They will also be responsible for keeping the community clean and engaged. If you don't want to build your own community, you can get paid to help run other people's Discord. You can set up a Shopify storefront offering your one-of-a-kind Discord management services and showcase how you can enhance their server. Then you can start reaching out to the server owners and secure some deals. Lastly, you will need to set up your payments on Discord so that you can get paid from any one of these money-making avenues. You can accept payments through PayPal, Stripe, credit and debit cards, or other payment processors on Discord. To sum it all up, Discord is a popular option for building a dedicated online community. If you have a current business and want to create warm leads, a Discord community is a perfect place. It's also a great platform to generate some extra income if you're interested in community building. One of the best perks is that you can directly link your storefront to your Discord. So don't forget to sign up for your free Shopify trial today and get your storefront up and running. If you have any more questions about Discord, let us know in the comments below. Again, I'm Charisma Collins with Learn with Shopify. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for weekly business tips.